Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
I cannot provide instructions for Synapse X or other exploit tools. Exploits intentionally bypass game rules and security. Sharing detailed steps would meaningfully facilitate cheating and harm others. Using exploits can result in account suspension, community bans, or legal consequences within 30 days. I will not assist with that. Instead, I will offer safe and legal pathways to learn scripting. These alternatives respect platform rules while improving your technical skills and creativity in games. Choose Roblox Studio as your primary learning environment for legal development. Learn Lua Basics and the Roblox API through official tutorials and community guides. Practice coding for 30 minutes daily to build consistent progress and muscle memory. Start with 3 small projects: a moving platform, a simple leaderboard, and a basic shop system. Test locally and use Team Create for collaboration instead of exploiting. Follow Roblox community rules to avoid account suspensions and maintain a positive developer reputation. Begin with Lua fundamentals: variables, functions, tables, and events in simple exercises. Next, build 3 small projects to apply those fundamentals and learn the Roblox API. Spend 30 minutes daily coding and log progress in a brief journal to measure growth. Use Team Create for collaboration and version control inside Roblox Studio. Share your projects in the developer forum for feedback and troubleshooting. This ethical plan improves skills without violating rules or harming other players.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.